The long-awaited H1 scooter has finally arrived. Just how many surprises does this lightweight, yet powerful scooter hold? The foam filling is extremely tight, fully encasing the scooter and providing maximum safety. Only 26 pounds in weight. The most thoughtful feature is this knob-type folding design. It's both labor-saving and sturdy. Align the scooter head with the carbon tube, interface and connect them directly in place. You can get it done with the included installation tools. Just tighten the upper and lower screws. Default Eco Mode, 6 miles per hour, perfect for beginners. Press the plus button to switch to D mode, 9 miles per hour. Press plus again to reach max speed in S mode, 28 miles per hour. Press the minus button once to easily downshift. All four lights illuminate simultaneously. The horn blared loudly.